Hello, this is Devin Pellegrino, and today I'll be presenting our group's progress in the past week. I will start by presenting the information that guided our designs, and then show the different design concepts our team developed. Next, I will show how we selected our final design and present that final design to you. We used a prioritization matrix to determine how important each task is compared to each other. In order to maximize points, our final machine needs to be able to move the A into the transcript, remove the F from our zone, move pillows into our zone, and prevent the unwanted entry of other F blocks. There were several important findings from this chart. First, moving the A into our transcript should be the highest priority because of the guaranteed 15 points you receive. The T blocks are the next most important task because of the 12 points you receive per block. The pillows are also a source of many points, but because the teams on either side of you are also competing for those same pillows, they are not guaranteed points. Because of the smaller amount of points related to the F block and preventing the entry of F blocks have the least importance. For our first design concept, we used a cart and ramp system. The ramp is on a pivot to easily change the angle based on the location of A. The first cart pushes the F out of the zone, while the second cart collects the A and is pulled back up the ramp by a motor. Swinging arms can be attached to the final ramp in order to easily collect the pillows as well. Our next design uses a main arm to deal with the grades and an arm on a sliding track for the pillows. An actuator pushes the main arm into the arena, where mousetrap activated swinging arms push the F and collect the A. The sliding arms extend and are pushed by a second actuator to sweep the pillows into our zone. This design uses a rake-like arm to pull the A back into the transcript using a motor. Actuators push the side arms to collect the pillows and also push away the F. This design is the first of two that improves our concept used in last week's competition that saw much success. Two sweeping arms on either side are attached to mousetraps and released from the actuators retracting. A main arm with mousetrap activated swinging arms is pushed into the zone by a motor and deals with the letter grades. This concept uses push-pin locks to easily flip the main arm based on the location of the grades. Once an actuator pushes the main arm into the zone, the swinging arm on the F side is released and hits away the F block using a mousetrap. Also, an arm on top of the main arm is swung onto the center platform to push the T into our zone, also using a mousetrap. For the A, the L-shaped arm is attached to a track which uses a motor to pull the A back into the transcript. Slightly after the main arm is pushed, a second actuator pushes a smaller arm which collects the pillows using a sweeping arm on that side. In order to determine which one of the concepts was the best, an evaluation matrix is used to rank each one based on the most important requirements from our House of Quality. The two concepts that expanded on our initial design from last week scored the highest, but the fifth concept was the highest scoring by a good margin. This is because of the simplicity of the pin lock system and the high amount of points it can score each time. Also noteworthy was that this design has the fastest deployment speed, which is very important when you're competing against others. Here is our selected final design before the machine is run. The main arm and the T swinging arm can easily be flipped depending on the location of the grades using the pin lock system. Our team determined this was the easiest way to account for the different locations the grade could be in. The pillow sweeping arm can also be switched to the other side easily based on the grade location because it also doubles as a wall that prevents our opponents from hitting their F blocks into our zone. The MyRio and pneumatic cylinder are safely stored in the back. Here's our design after the main arms have been pushed into the zone. As you can see, once it lands, the F block arm and the T arm are both pushed in their respective directions from a mousetrap. The motor then starts pulling the A back into the transcript using the L-shaped arm on a track. The pillow arm is also released to collect the pillows on one side of the arena. This design guarantees the retrieval of the A and the removal of the F regardless of our opponents, and also collects 1 T and 3 pillows as long as our machine is faster than the competing machines. This concludes our evaluation presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask our team now. Thank you.